There's a confusion among students and professionals as to what statistical analysis is, because the statistical analysis has presently come into the mainstream picture because of its application in the areas of data science, machine learning and AI. So one must understand that statistics is not about learning how to calculate something. It's about learning how to interpret the number that is generated after the calculation. So one has to understand the meaning of the processes and different methodologies used, different algorithms used, different steps used to compute a certain number, which is supposed to mean something, and that number is supposed to help you take decisions, and that's called data-driven decisions, and that's what makes you a data scientist or a decision scientist. So learn more about all of this with Certisured.com. Reach out to us.